Oh my gosh, y'all, that feels so good. Hey, you guys. If you are new here, I'm Ashley, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use Cécred along with some other products to create this hairstyle. This is a wig, and I also use Cécred on this wig. So, if you want to see how I use Cécred on my real hair as well as this wig right here, stay tuned and watch the full video. And before you get started, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so I shampooed this wig off camera. I used Cécred's Hydrating shampoo, and I shampooed twice, and then I went in with the deep conditioner from Cécred, and I let this air dry. So if you want to see a video of me washing this wig, go click on my previous video before, and I have in the video I showed you how I shampooed this wig. So go over there and click on that video if you want to see how to shampoo this wig. Now I'm about to use the liquid gold. Y'all see, this is the liquid, I call it the liquid gold.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna get ready and wash my hair. This is how my hair and scalp is looking. Remember, I had braided my hair down last week for the wig. I can tell you right now that my head is so itching right now. And I don't think it's because it's Cécred. I just think it's just time to wash my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hair with the hydrating shampoo because last week I used the clarified shampoo, then the hydrating shampoo. This week I'm just gonna use the hydrating shampoo, and hopefully the first shampoo kind of lathers up, and we'll see. This is how much I'm gonna be using, y'all. It's going down my hand, and this is a lot. So hopefully it lathers up.
bruh. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
It's time to lather up good, but it's because I have to use a lot. Oh my gosh, y'all, that feels so good.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Okay, y'all, so we see that you have to use a lot on the first shampoo. If you like your first shampoo to be lathered or soapy. And I'm going to continue to wash my hair off camera, so I'll be back with the conditioner. We're going to be using Cécred's Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, because last week I used the reconstruction treatment, so this week we're going to be using just the regular conditioner. She's thick, and I like thickness.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Okay, so here's my hair with the conditioner rinsed out. My hair feels soft, it feels fluffy, and you can just see my natural curls. Before I braid my hair down, I'm gonna add Cécred's moisture sealing lotion. I'm gonna add this to my hair before I begin to braid. This is how much I'm putting in my hair.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I have my hair braided, looking like Cleo. Queen Latifah, I've set it off.
Bruh.
I'm about to slick my edges down with this Shine and Jam rainbow edges. So I'm gonna slick my edges down. Okay, so I have my edges slicked down. Now I'm about to add the liquid gold. Okay, y'all, here's the final results. I can say that my wig is very soft, kind of, sort of. And I'm pretty sure it's not all the way soft, like extremely soft, because I did add some holding spray. But you can see the curls. So if you've made it this far into the video, I want to thank you for watching. Before you go, please subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are about the video or about Cécred, whatever. Just drop that in the comments below. Also, hit the notification bell before you go. And also share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, whoever. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.